Do you think that everybody who lost their home had to lose it? And here's the biggest question of all. What if the biggest fear you have about losing your home is actually the easiest problem to fix if you knew what to ask for? Most homeowners actually don't know how many lifelines they have. And in this video, I'm going to show you simple options that you can implement right now to save your home from foreclosure. Here's what nobody tells you. Falling behind on your mortgage does not mean the bank is going to come knocking on your door right away. Yes, in Texas, they do tend to move quickly, but you do have options. The bank does not want your house. The bank doesn't want to have to kick you out. And oftentimes, banks actually lose money when they go through a foreclosure. Option one, which might seem so obvious, is ask the bank for a lower payment. Simply call the bank and see if they're willing to give you a lower payment by refinancing the loan. If you had a hardship such as a job loss, a divorce, or anything, contact your lender and they may be willing to postpone your payment for 3 to 6 months to help you get back on your feet. Now, if those options are exhausted, one thing you can do is sell the house before the bank takes it. Selling the house, if you have equity in your home, will allow you to take that money and either buy a cheaper home or rent for a little bit while you fix your credit, get your money up, and buy another house in the future. The worst thing you can do is allow a foreclosure to hit your credit because it will affect you for 7 to 10 years for you getting a new house and oftentimes getting a new apartment without very strict restrictions. Here's what you can do right now. The first thing you need to do is, of course, call your lender. They're going to have options for you. Like I said, they do not want you to lose that house just as much as you don't want to lose that house. Now, if none of those options work for you, another thing you can do, pick up an extra job so you can pay for your mortgage or cut down on all your expenses that are not necessary. Your highest priorities are shelter, transportation, food, and clothing. Anything besides that, you do not have to worry about right now. So cut off all those expenses. If you have kids to eat, hey kids, we can't have Netflix or whatever the case. You need to cut all unnecessary expenses out to keep the house. Trust me, when I look back at my childhood, I remember the address of where we lived. I do not remember my Christmas gifts, okay? Just to keep the house, food, and clothes on your kids' backs. Remember, you're not a failure. If you're facing this situation, millions of Americans every day fall behind on their mortgage. It's up to you to act quickly. Whatever you do, do not do nothing. And if you want a cash offer on your property, reach out to us, OT Home Buyers. We'd love to give you a cash offer or at least tell you exactly what your house is worth so you know what you can do for yourself.